Today, specifically in this video, we are going to talk about last year cutoff of AIIMS Gorakhpur. So I already uploaded previous year cutoff of AIIMS. Several cutoff videos are available on my channel, so you can check out those videos as well. Link of those videos I'll put in the description box, so you can check out those videos as well. Hi, hello and welcome. I'm Guri. I'm a third year MBA student at GGS Medical College and Hospital, Faridkot. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Before that, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel to get more useful videos like this. So I'm having this data with me. I'll also be abbreviating the data to you, so the all of those data will be appearing on the screen as well. So you can take the screenshot if you want. Talking about AIIMS Gorakhpur, for general category, the last seat was allotted at 650 marks and the rank was 4518. For general PWD category, the last seat was allotted at 301 marks and the rank was 3,19,940. For EWS category, the last seat was allotted at 657 marks and the rank was 3,198. For OBC category, the last seat was allotted at 650 marks and the rank was 4,562. For SC category, the last seat was allotted at 522 marks and the rank was 67,470. For ST category, the last seat was allotted at 468 marks and the rank was 1,09,933. So this was all the data that I was having. Sole purpose of my video is to provide you with the relevant information, so it will save your time and so you can focus more on your studies rather than wasting your time here and there on non-specific videos. I hope you found this video informative. If you found this video informative and like this video, share this video and subscribe to the channel and get more useful videos like this. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy.